Hey everybody, I'm Tom and welcome to the Dustopper Shop. We've been working on some great things, and now that our shop is up and running, we want to move this channel over to the Dustopper YouTube channel. So be on the lookout for that. If you have a Dustopper, I want to thank all of you for the really cool stuff you've been sending in on how you set up the Dustopper, the stacked Dustopper configuration by John Hobson out of Angola, Indiana. Rocks on. We absolutely love it. Now we have elbows. You can get those on online at dustopper.com. So thanks for all of the cool stuff you send us. If you have questions, get those questions to us. You can call us on the 800 number. Most of the time you get me, and we'll help you out and help you configure your system the way it should be and optimize its performance. As time goes on, we're going to be clearing the air about how dust separation happens. There are some very good sources of information out there, and sadly, there's some misconceptions about how dust separation occurs and how we can make it work better in our particular application. So stay tuned for more of that. We're going to be taking on some woodworking projects here that I think you'll love. You can't see them in this video, but I got 4 giant slabs over there, a pair of bookended slabs that we're going to be making into tables for my lovely wife. But other things that are hopefully like projects you're doing in your shop, and you'll get a chance to see that we're woodworkers first, dust collector second, and we're here to be part of your community, not you be part of ours. So to wrap up, check out the link in the description, and it'll tell you where to go to see everything you want to know about Dustopper and what we're doing here in the shop. And I want to thank everybody for joining us today. If you think others would benefit from learning more about dust separation and Dusthoppers, send them to the new channel. We're going to make it fun. We're going to make it informative. And we're having fun, so we're hoping you're having fun. Thanks again. We'll be in touch.